This video proves that the same tax is paid on franked dividends taxed within the franking system as is paid on any other income taxed outside the franking system. This is true even if there is a franking credit refund. In the example, we've used a $10,000 income and a 19% tax rate, but any income amount or any tax rate can be used and the result will still be the same. The tax paid through the franking credit system, even with a refund, is still the same as the tax paid on other types of income taxed outside of the franking system. So it's easy enough to see what happened here. The taxpayer received a $10,000 interest payment, say from a bank. No tax was deducted. He received the whole $10,000 and then he has to pay 19% tax on that, which is $1,900, and he pays that. That means that the taxpayer has received $8,100 after tax and the tax office has received $1,900. Now let's see what happens with franked dividends. The company intends to pay the taxpayer a $10,000 dividend, but before that dividend is paid, the company must pay 30% or $3,000 to the tax office. So the company now only has $7,000 left out of the original $10,000. So $7,000 is paid to the taxpayer, and the taxpayer also receives a note, a franking credit, confirming that $3,000 of his $10,000 dividend has been paid to the ATO. Now at the end of the year, the taxpayer prepares his tax return and he owes $1,900 tax, which is 19% of the original $10,000. Now it's worth noting that this is also the same amount of tax that was paid by the taxpayer on the interest in the previous example. Anyway, this shareholder owes $1,900 tax, but $3,000 has already been paid to the ATO. So the ATO apply $1,900 of that to his tax and refund the extra $1,100 tax held by the ATO to the taxpayer. So there it is. The tax paid on dividends with franking credits is exactly the same as tax paid on other income which has nothing to do with franking credits. It's always the same. It always works out that way because that's the way it's designed. There's no gifts, no reward or no costs. It is simple, straightforward, easy to understand.